Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to set up your code editor to write execute HTML. So to download the VS Code, go to your native browser and search VS Code. Then click on the first link and download it according to your system, like Mac, Windows, etc. I'm not going to download it because I have pre-installed it. So after downloading the VS Code completely within its extra files, then you have to open CMD. In CMD, you can learn how we can create a new folder. So first go to a document directory or any other which you prefer. Then inside document, create a new folder using mkdir command with a name as HTML series. So after creating that HTML series, you need to go inside that folder. So to go inside that folder, we need to use the command cd again, cd HTML series. Then to open that folder HTML series in a code editor, we need to use the command code space dot. When you click, when you run that command code space dot, the respective folder will be open in the code editor, VS Code which we have downloaded. And after opening, means after open it in the VS Code, create a new file .index.html. One extension which is useful for the HTML file is the live server, which basically helps us to see the changes in the index.html file on web browser. You're installing the live server extension, you can see the option here, go live option here. So guys, you click on it to the respective HTML file will be browser here. If you found this setup guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe the channel for next video. Till then, keep learning, keep coding. See you in the next video.